Good evening, everyone. I am Janobi T. Ahok, the next reporter of Group 1, and I'll be reporting topic of corporate mission, what it is, why is it important, and how companies use it to guide their action. What is a mission statement? Mission statement is like the purpose of the company. It explains why the company exists, what it wants to achieve, and what it wants to be remembered for. You can think of it as a guide or compass that helps employees and leaders to know the right direction. For example, the Jollibee's mission. So their mission is to serve food, not just to serve food, but tasty food and bring joy to everyone who is eating the food. Uh, why is a mission statement important? Why? So it tells who the customers are and what product or service the company offers. Second, it gives direction for daily operations. And third, it becomes the foundation for decision making in the future. Without a mission, a company is like a ship with no direction. With a mission, everyone knows what is the goal of the company in the long term success or short term, something like that. Um, what makes a good mission statement? So a good mission statement should one focus on few goals. For example, saying what we want to have saying we want to have the best quality, the lowest prices, the widest reach, and the fastest service is too much. It should be simple and focused. Second, show companies values and belief. Now, this helps the employee act consistently with the company stand for. And third, define the playing field of the company where it will operate. Yes, a mission statement covers. It should have something like, uh, I mean, yes, a mission statement covers. Let's break down what a mission usually defines with examples. So, like industry, first industry, where the company works, like Jollibee, food industries. San Miguel, so it it's in kind of different kind of industries like food, beverages, drinks, alcohol, and energy infrastructures. Excuse. And second is product or services like De La Salle University. They provide education and research for society. Third, skills or strength or core competencies. For example, Chair Mobile. They focuses on affordable smartphones and partnered with Google for Android One. Number four, target customer. Target market. So they should target they should focus on what they want to target. Like for example, infant. So they should offer something like baby products or mga products na pang infant that's suitable for infant kids like yung ano yun, suitable for kids. Hmm. Process. Number five, process ng how business work. For example, the Del Monte. So everyone knows what is the Del Monte products. Like they are especially known for pineapples, right? So first process is they grow pineapples, process them, and sell them worldwide. Then six is last good mission statement of a company, the location or scope where it like or where it operates. Cebu na earlier, it started in Cebu City. And as time goes by, they expand, um, they grow. They became a worldwide known, national worldwide known ng money transfer or something like uh, transferring something to other location. Next is BPI Bank. It's expanded in the Philippines, Hong Kong, and Europe. They are known for different countries. Yeah, they grew a lot. This is the question that mission statement of an organization should answer. Uh, First is what problem or need does the company address? Second, what is the business of the organization? So they should know what they offer, they should know what they want to do to to its customers, what they want to provide. And then third, what level of service is provided. And fourth, what belief or values guide the company. Um, so in summarize or in conclusion for my report, so a mission statement is a short, clear, and inspiring message about what a company does, who it serves, and why it exists in the first place. It keeps everyone in the company on the same path, make sure the business stays true its purpose, and always remember a company with automation is like a person with no goals. That's all. Thank you.